This video is brought to you by Upbeat. Yo guys, Saksham here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope your day has been going great. Hope you had a great weekend if you're watching this on Monday. And if you're new to the channel, if you like this video, maybe hit the like, subscribe, to all that stuff. Today's video is honestly quite different. I never really make these kind of videos, but we're talking about music, something I personally hate and love. I love it when I'm working on a video. I can find the music like on the spot, don't have to worry about copyright, or if possible it's free music and it's all done. But most of the time what happens is you cannot find the right music, and if you do find it, you have to worry about copyright and all this stuff. And even if you go through all that, you have to worry about maybe the platform is charging too high, or you're restricted to posting it only on one platform. So today we're talking about Uppbeat, today's video sponsor. But even before this sponsor, I was using the platform, and honestly I love it. I think you will really like it. Now let's talk about them. But before that, two disclaimers: this video is not at all about this stuff. It just builds up a sequence for something else I'm doing, so stay tuned for that. And number two, their Uppbeat have not watched this video. They have no idea what I'm talking about. So whatever you hear from me or you see in this video, it's all sort of like my take on it. And like straight away, if I hate something about it, I will let you know, and what I love about it, I will let you know that. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. And why not, let's just do it. Let's get started. So first things first, something I want to get out of the way is why I'm especially a big fan of Uppbeat, and why I think it's honestly a pretty good platform. Two reasons. One, it's free. Yes, there's a subscription, like a paid subscription and a free subscription, but you get 10 songs per month, like free downloads, 10 songs per month. You just have to tag the creator. And if you think about it, yes, you might be like other companies, other platforms will give you, but honestly speaking, I've looked a lot, and 10 songs a month, I don't think anyone gives it. Number two, they're actually good songs. Believe me, when I first found out about Uppbeat, I'm like, these are actually good songs I would use. And because of the free subscription, you can download 10 a month. Now if you're someone who makes YouTube videos or content, or just need music in general, if you think about it, just normal math, let's just say you're someone who makes 3 or 4 videos per month. Now in that case, you might be using 3 to 7 songs. Now if you think about it, out of that whole month, you've downloaded multiple songs, and you have 10 songs as a collection. Now next month, again, you have more 10 songs to download, and you eventually will build up a library. Let's say in a year you have 120 songs, really good songs that you can use. And as long as you're tagging the creator, you don't have to worry about any copyright strikes or anything like that. And when you compare this to other platforms which are paid, and on top of that you might be restricted to a specific platform, this is like on top of that. You cannot hate this anymore. And secondly, something I did already talk about is the music options. The music is new, it sounds amazing, and it's actually, like, honestly speaking, it's good music. So, and also let's talk about the interface, because it's so clean and so easy to use compared to other websites. Let me show you guys, and let's get started. So the moment you load Uppbeat, the first thing you see is the music, and honestly speaking, the interface is super clean. It's been divided into different categories. So you want a beat kind of music, so your beats, background vibe, moods, funny, and all that stuff. Now something I absolutely love that just made me love this website or the service is when I was going through this, we are on the browse music, and let's say I'm going and I want something for my tech videos, then I want some kind of music I can add, and believe me, it's so hard finding it. So I'm going to go in my, just go through the list, and I see themes. Your vlogs, travels, and you look cool, but it also has technology. And for me, when I make tech videos, I always struggle finding the right music. So as soon as I go up here, I play this first song, and I play that song. It's good. Like, I'm not even joking. I won't play the whole thing, but it's actually really good. That's a song that I can actually use. I can totally see myself using it on a B-roll or something like that. And let's just say we're doing something else, right? How about, you know what, let's do some aerial drone footage. Who doesn't like drone footage, right? So if we are playing some drone footage and we want some song, let's go with Chrome. Why not? You can totally see this coming, like a drone coming up and just showing the skyline, just above the sunset. Like, this is good. So while we have this interface, let me just show you around. So it's honestly pretty straightforward, clean, but still, if you see a star beside someone's name, like besides a song name, that just means that's a song only for premium members. But most of the songs are in the free section, so you should be good, not to worry about. If you want to download a song, you just hit the download button, save for later. You can just add it to a playlist, or if you want to maybe favorite a song, you really like a song, you can do that, and you see the duration right beside it. You can filter it in multiple ways, so by relevance, latest release, or undiscovered, so if you want to discover a new song. And also, let's just say you want to add you want to get a specific type of song, so let's just say very calm, smoothing, energetic, vocals if you want some lyrics and all that stuff, and also the duration. So that honestly applies to every single song that's on Upbeat. You can filter every single category, and it's really good. Once you hit a song to play, it loads up in the bottom, and then you have the option to just skip through that, skim through it, adjust the volume, who made it, and download right from there. Now let's just download a song. So I'm gonna go in my favorites because why not? I've added a few songs to my favorite, and let's just download this Tropicana. So when I click on this download button, what's going to happen is it's going to download the song, and it's also going to give me this say thanks, avoid claims. Now this only pops up if you're in the free subscription, not in the premium, and that's just because we want to give the creator the credit, because they spend a lot of time making these songs, so there's nothing bad in giving them the credit. But if you go with premium, you don't really have to do that, so you whitelist the channel, and that should be pretty easy. But as you can see, for me, it says something went wrong. Super easy. We're going to head over to our downloads, so we can go from downloads. I downloaded this song 3 times just for this video, and I'm just going to click on view credit, and from here I can just copy this and paste it in the description of my video, and it should be all good. Next up, we also have a trending tab. So let's just say you want to download a song that's trending. Let's see what's trending. You can see right up here, Tropicana that I just downloaded is also in trending. We have the latest release, what just got released, and star just means it's for premium. You can still hear the song and all that stuff, you just won't be able to use it or download it without buying for premium. I was showing this to a few of my friends, and honestly speaking, they loved it. Like, they've used other websites, I won't say the name of them on this video, but compared to them, their take was this is super easy to use. You actually find music, the music is awesome, and it's just very simple. So for $6.99 Canadian dollars per month, I don't think you can beat that for what you get. And on top of that, sound effects are coming very soon, and I'm so excited for that, because believe me, sound effects are amazing, and being able to get that also from Upbeat, I think that's a really good plus point. Of course, I will make a video when sound effects stuff come, but you have heard me enough talking about Upbeat, why I've been keep on saying good music. It's really good music, good music. I've been keep on saying that, but honestly speaking, I don't know that much technical details, theory when it comes to music. But one of my good friends, Harsha, can actually answer this question for you very well. Like, it's amazing. So let's hear from her, and she has a really good answer on why having a right music, a good music, different kind of music is actually really important in the background. So here we go.
Hi everyone, my name is Harsha, and I wanted to take a moment to discuss the importance of music in a video. Specifically, the type of music that you add to your video is really important. Imagine being a creator and you're trying to portray something, I don't know, scary that happened in your life. Imagine adding music that's kind of in a major key, that gets you feeling good, and pair that with your scary story. Well, does that make the viewer really feel on edge? Not really. So what do you do instead? You add something in a minor key, something that really gets you that eerie feeling, that makes you feel scared, that gets the viewer feeling what you were feeling at the time and gets the point of your story across, right? The second thing that I want to talk about is the dynamics of the music that you add to your video. Imagine you're talking about something. Imagine me talking, and suddenly there's heavy metal music playing in the background, super duper loud. Right? Well, are you going to focus on the music, or are you going to focus on what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you're going to focus on what the music is trying to say, right? As opposed to me. And that kind of defeats the purpose of you watching this video, right? Now, imagine if the music is too soft. Well, then what's the point of adding music anyways, right? So you want to add music that isn't too loud or too soft. You want to add that perfect medium. Something that, you know, isn't too distracting, but also is still there, that the viewer actually notices that you added music to your video. As a singer, I make a lot of videos of me singing. Now imagine if in the background, my music is too loud. Are you really gonna focus on my voice, which really is the purpose of the video, or are you gonna focus on the background music, right? Kind of defeats the purpose of my video. Now imagine if I'm singing and the music is too soft, then what's the point of me even adding the music? I might as well have just sung a cappella, right? So it's very important that as a creator, as a video creator, whether you're making a dance video, a movie, a singing video, no matter what the video is, you want to make sure that the music is the right music and that it's not too loud, not too soft, and it's just perfectly right. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and show some love.
See, I would have never been able to explain it that well. So thank you so much, Harsha, for that, and also for being in the video. I will actually have her Instagram page and all the platforms she's on linked below. Go check it out, and also it's on your screen, so you can go give her a follow, say hi, you came from this video. And apart from that, honestly speaking, I think you guys will love Uppbeat. I've been using it, and I just wish I knew it before, because it would have made making videos so much easier, especially finding the music. Sure, like you still need that creativity thinking and all that stuff, but music is a big category, and having it right, as Harsh said, is important. So if you have not already used Uppbeat, go check it out. I will have the links in the description and also as a pinned comment. So super easy, click on that, go check Uppbeat out, or you can honestly just open a browser and search up uppbeat.io. Hope you like it. If you've already been using it, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, what you guys love, hate, if you have any suggestions, comments. And if you're someone who's about to try it, after try it, let me know. If you want to message me or leave it in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you actually like it and all that stuff? Apart from that, I think that's good enough for this video. If I forget anything, I will leave that in the comment section below. Once again, thanks a lot for Uppbeat for sponsoring this video, and I think I got everything out right. I think it's been so long since I made a video, like recorded itself, like it's been a break, and it's been so hard to get back into this whole setting up and doing it, but I think it went pretty well. So hope you liked this video. If you did, maybe hit the like button, subscribe, bell, all that stuff, and I will catch you guys later.